If you're over 50 and feel like your energy is low, you're gaining belly fat easily, and your strength isn't what it used to be, and your desire isn't like it once was, then listen closely. Testosterone doesn't disappear because of age. It disappears because your body stops getting signals for strength. And today, I'm going to show you 4 simple but super effective exercises to get that signal back. No crazy heavy lifting, no getting worn out, and no hurting your joints, just smart strength. A lot of people think, once you hit 50, it's all downhill, but the truth is totally different. Testosterone reacts to muscle tension, spine posture, hip stability, and nerve signals. When you sit for years, your hips get stiff, your butt muscles turn off, your spine slumps forward, your nervous system goes into stress mode, and when stress lasts a long time, testosterone drops. It's not because you're old, it's because your body isn't being used the right way anymore. Today we're going to bring back 4 important signals: unlocking your hips, getting your whole body working together, creating controlled tension, and bearing weight in a strong posture. Exercise 1, the frog stretch, for unlocking your hips, also known as a mobility reset. This is one of the best moves to loosen up tight hips and inner thighs. It's super helpful if you sit a lot or feel like your hips can't move freely. First, get on your hands and knees on a mat. Make sure your back is straight and your neck is comfy. Feel steady before you start. Slowly spread your knees out to the sides, as wide as you can go without pain, and still feeling in control. Line up your ankles with your knees so your shins are parallel. Put your elbows down on the mat. This takes pressure off your shoulders and helps you balance better. Gently push your hips back. You should feel a deep stretch in your inner thighs. Don't rush it. Let your body get used to the position. Don't push too hard, and don't arch your back. Always stay in control and listen to your body to avoid getting hurt. Keep your spine long, your neck relaxed, and look gently forward. Breathe evenly through your nose. This helps you relax more and gets oxygen flowing better. As you breathe in, feel your pelvic floor open up. This helps blood flow and eases pressure in your hips. As you breathe out, let your inner thigh muscles soften and fully relax. Feel that old tension just melt away. Hold this pose for 30 to 60 seconds and do 2 sets. Be patient, because this is the first step to better flexibility and hip health. Your inner thigh muscles connect right to your pelvis. They're super important for keeping your hips stable and helping them move. When these muscles get tight from sitting too much, blood flow to your pelvis goes down. This makes your glutes weaker, which messes with your posture and overall health. It also makes your hormone signals drop, affecting your energy, body functions, and how you feel every day. Opening up this area again brings your hormone system back to normal. It helps you feel healthier, more flexible, and full of life every day. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and comment your age below. I want to know how many guys over 50 are determined to get back in shape. And don't miss the next part, because the real strength starts here. Exercise 2, the deep squat hold, integrating strength. This might look like a simple move, but it offers so many amazing benefits for your overall health, especially for men in their 50s and older. Let's find out how to do it right, and why this exercise is so important. First, stand with your feet a little wider than your shoulders, with your toes pointing slightly outward. This starting position helps you balance better and lets your hips open up as much as possible when you go down. Then, slowly sit down as deep as you can, making sure to control your body's movement. Don't rush. Feel each muscle working as you lower yourself. Your heels should always stay on the ground, your chest open, and your spine straight. These 3 things are super important for protecting your knees and lower back, and for keeping a safe posture throughout the exercise. Next, place your elbows on the inside of your knees and gently push them out to the sides. This helps open your hips, makes you more flexible, and really gets those pelvic muscles working. Hold this position for about 30 to 45 seconds and repeat 2 to 3 times. If you're just starting, you can hold it for a shorter time and gradually increase it as your body gets used to it. Remember, absolutely do not bounce up and down or rush to stand up. Keep your breathing steady. Breathe in deeply through your nose and out through your mouth to help your body relax and focus on the stretch in your muscles. What's really happening inside your body when you do this move? A deep squat isn't just a leg exercise. It helps connect your glutes, pelvic floor, and core muscles into one strong system, supporting each other to build overall strength and stability for your whole body. When you lose the ability to deep squat, your lower body gets weaker, your movement decreases, and, your testosterone levels can also drop over time. This directly affects men's health, both physically and mentally. This position teaches your body how to stay strong under pressure, building your willpower and endurance. Each time you hold a squat, you're challenging your own limits. True strength doesn't just come from your muscles, it also comes from stillness, control, and a deep connection between your body and mind. Keep practicing consistently, and you'll feel a clear change from within. Exercise 3, Horse Stance, Controlled Tension. This is a basic exercise that helps build full body strength. It's especially good for men over 50 who want to stay flexible and steady. First, spread your feet wide. Your feet should be a little wider than your shoulders to give your body a strong base. Then, lower your hips until your thighs are almost parallel to the ground. But remember, don't go too low, just enough to create a good amount of tension. Feel the stretch in your thighs and glutes. That's how you know you're doing it right. Keep your spine straight, squeeze your glutes tight like a rock, and relax your shoulders and jaw. Keeping your back straight protects your spine, and squeezing your glutes activates important muscles for stability. Now hold this position for about 30 to 45 seconds, doing 3 sets. If you're just starting, you can hold it for less time and slowly increase it. This is an isometric exercise, meaning you create force without moving. Even though you're not moving, your muscles are working hard to hold the pose, which helps build strength and endurance. For men over 50, this exercise is very safe for your joints. It boosts nerve activity and makes your pelvis more stable. You'll feel a strong lower body without putting stress on your knees or back. When your nervous system sees that your body can create and hold strong tension, it increases neural drive. This helps you control your muscles better and improves your movement reflexes, and that helps balance testosterone, keeping men healthy, and boosting confidence and energy after each workout. Strength doesn't need speed. It needs control. Focus on how your body feels, keep your breathing steady, and enjoy getting stronger with every workout. Exercise 4, Loaded Carry, a signal for your whole body's hormones. All you need to do is hold 2 dumbbells or 2 heavy bags, then stand up tall. Pull your shoulders down and back, open your chest, and keep your chin level. Now, start walking slowly, making sure each step is on purpose. Squeeze the handles tight, and feel your glutes working with each step. Walk continuously for 30 to 60 seconds, doing 2 to 3 sets. The loaded carry will make your grip strength, core, hips, and upper back stronger. When you walk with weight while keeping good posture, your body gets a strong message: I can handle pressure, and your hormones will react to that. Here's a quick summary, an important message for everyone. Testosterone doesn't just disappear because you turn 50. It only goes down when your hips get stiff, your posture slumps, or when stress takes the place of strength. Today, you've brought back 4 signals. First is mobility, second is integration, third is controlled tension, and fourth is load under posture. You don't need to work out like you did when you were 25. You just need to work out smart at 50. Do this routine 3 to 4 times a week. Remember to move slowly, breathe deeply, and always keep your body tall. If you're serious about getting back your energy, shape, and strength after 50, start today. Comment, "I'm starting" if you're committed to doing this for the next 4 weeks. And if you want me to make more in-depth videos about naturally boosting testosterone, safe strength for men over 50, or improving vitality and endurance, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. At 50, you're not getting weaker. You just need to send the right signals to your body again. And when the right signals are repeated every week, your body will respond. Your strength isn't gone, it's just waiting to be activated.